Hey guys, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. It's Isabella, and today we have some breaking news. Lyft announced that they're going to be joining Uber in cutting back hiring, which may be really concerning if you are wanting to be a rideshare driver. And this is due to the economic slowdown that has been happening. But before we get into the video, I know this is a little bit contradictory to the topic of this video, but if you wanted to sign up to be a Lyft driver, we have a sign up link in the description where you can get a sign up bonus of up to $1,000. Also, if your gig app account gets deactivated, so that's like Instacart, Uber, Lyft, Uber Eats, Postmates, any of those types of apps, if you get deactivated, there's actually a way where you can get your account back and running so you can start earning money again. There's this awesome website called the Reactivation Center. It's linked in the description of this video, and if you go on there, they have a ton of resources for you to be able to get your account back and running. Be sure to check that out, especially if you are wrongfully deactivated. This is a great place to go to be able to reactivate your account. Anyways, let's get started in the video and see why Lyft is cutting back hiring new drivers. So Uber had announced earlier that they were going to be cutting back on hiring and other expenses because of how the economy is doing right now. Inflation is pretty insane right now, so that is why Lyft is actually going to be doing the same. I mean, all over the US they're slowing down hiring in general with a lot of companies, so it was inevitable that Uber and Lyft are going to be doing the same. This doesn't mean that they're planning on doing layoffs. They're not going to just start making Lyft drivers quit, even though a lot of Lyft drivers have already quit because of the huge rise in gas prices. That makes it a little bit harder for you to be a rideshare driver. They're gonna have fewer spots open to new drivers, which kind of increases the competition, so it may be a little bit harder for you to become a Lyft driver if you were trying to do so. But yeah, tech companies have been hit really hard during this economic slowdown that's been happening. And Lyft has actually lost 60% of its value since the beginning of this year, 2022. So this is really, really hard on Lyft and really all of these gig app companies. And if you didn't know, Lyft and Uber implemented a gas surcharge. So consumers will pay, I think, around 40 or 50 cents extra per ride, which goes directly to the driver, which is supposed to accommodate for gas prices and compensate for that. That is something good that they were doing, but of course it makes all the Uber and Lyft prices way higher than before, and it changes the whole supply and demand between the drivers and the consumers. So hopefully this comes to an end soon and Uber and Lyft are back on their feet and the economy gets better, but until then, it seems like things aren't looking too good. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Do you think this is the end of Lyft and Uber, or do you think they'll get back on their feet pretty soon? It's pretty hard to tell. I mean, I think it's gonna be a while before everything's settled a little bit, not even just back to normal. I don't think it'll go back to normal anytime soon. Hopefully before the end of the year things kind of at least get a little bit better. Anyways, if you want to see more videos like this and stay updated, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the Rideshare Hub. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.